Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast food fusion. Preheat a skillet to medium, whisk eggs with milk, spices, and a splash of soy or citrus. Soak thick bread briefly, cook until golden on both sides, and finish with toppings that contrast texture and flavor. Keep balance in mind, taste as you go, and plate with herbs or fruit for brightness to elevate each bite. Start with a flexible custard that suits your fusion idea and whisk eggs with milk or a milk alternative for creaminess. Stir in flavor boosters like miso, cinnamon, curry powder, or citrus zest to create a bridge between cuisines. Taste and adjust salt and sweetness, then let the bread rest briefly in the custard to absorb but not collapse. This step sets the foundation for balanced, tasty French toast. Heat your pan and use enough fat to prevent sticking while achieving a golden crust without burning delicate spices. Flip once, and keep an eye on timing so the middle stays custardy. Choose toppings that add crunch or acidity like toasted nuts, pickled fruit, or a drizzle of hot honey to complement fusion flavors. Plate quickly and consider a small side salad for brightness and balance to complete the dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.